हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब अच्छे होंगे। तो सबसे पहले आज मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ। वो ये है कि क्या आप बिना पीएच पेपर, बिना मिथाइल ऑरेंज या बिना फिनोल्फ्थालीन का यूज़ किए किसी भी सब्सटेंस को बता सकते हैं कि वो सब्सटेंस एसिड है या बेस है। तो इसका जवाब है बिल्कुल हाँ। आप बिल्कुल अपने घर पर ही किसी भी सब्सटेंस को चेक करके बता सकते हैं कि वो एसिड है या बेस है, जिसके लिए आप अपने घर पर ही एक पीएच पेपर तैयार कर सकते हैं। तो आज के वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि कैसे हम घर पर ही अपने लिए एक पीएच पेपर तैयार कर सकते हैं और कैसे हम उसको यूज़ करके किसी भी सब्सटेंस को वो एसिड है या बेस है चेक करके हम बता सकते हैं। तो बढ़ते हैं अपने वीडियो की तरफ।
So today in this video we will learn how to prepare a natural indicator, for which I am using this hibiscus or China rose flower, and we will prepare the natural indicator from the petals of this flower. So the requirements for this activity is a hibiscus or China rose flower, an acid sample and a base sample. For an acid sample I have taken dilute HCl, and for the base sample I have taken dilute NaOH. So let us begin the experiment. So for this we will take out the petals from this China rose flower and we will mash it and spread it on the paper. We have to gently press so that all the pigments which this kettle has, it comes towards this papers. You can see that this paper is now been covered with the China rose petals. This is the paper now. Now we will let it dry for some time, and then this will be our natural indicator pH paper at home. If you want to try this experiment at home, you can try this by taking vinegar as an acid sample. Vinegar or lemon juice can be used as an acid sample, and for base sample you can take the baking powder and the liquid soap which you have at your home. So you have two acid samples at your home. One is vinegar, other is lemon juice, which are commonly available. And for the base sample you will have at your home the baking soda and the Vim liquid gel or any washing powder, that is the base. So after this paper has been dried, we will check the color changes. So first of all, I will be adding the acid sample and I will see what color it changes. So let us see when I drop acid sample. You can see that it changed into red color. So this was the reaction of acid on this pH paper. The color changed to red. Now let us see what will happen when we add the base sample to this paper. When I am adding the base, its color is changing to greenish blue. So you can see that this is the color of the acid. When acid was added to this paper, it turned into color red, and this is when the color, when we have added base, it turned into green. So this experiment you all can do at your home.